The little cuddle bunny has come for breakfast cuddles. Hey? Brushing you. She loves the brushing. Don't you? Just love it. Oh yes, yes, yes. I know. She's just so cute. And then you stop brushing and she wants her cuddles and hugs. Hi. Oh. I know, baby. I know. Little munchies. Brushes. Brushes. Don't step on me. No, don't step on me, please. You can't do that. No, keep your feet down. Oh my goodness, I know. Oh my goodness, I know, baby. I know. Oh, look at her. You're just so ridiculously cute and cuddly. Aren't you? You just love your scratches, you're gonna knock me over. You're just such a baby. Baby, baby, yeah. You love to give hugs, don't you? Oh, yes. Give mommy a hug. Want to give me a kiss? Oh, thank you. You are so funny. That was so cute, buddy. So cute. Oh my God, she gave me little kisses. Chandra, you're the funniest girl ever. You are. You're the funniest girl ever. Oh, what a good pony. What a good baby. That was so cute.